Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. I am in the kitchen making something quick. It's called our quick biscuits, actually. They're gluten-free, and I'm making I don't know, quasi summerberry biscuit monkey roll pull away bread. I don't know, I'm just playing around. That's the fun thing about all this. You can just play and make whatever you want. Anyway, I'm using our cool summerberry. So I made the dough as it normally is. Instead of making into biscuits, I just rolled it out. Now I'm just going to put some butter down because, what's the point? Obviously, you could use something else, whatever to your fancy. All right, some good butter. All right, and then I've got a summerberry, and I'm just gonna put a lot on. Now, summerberry does have sugar in it, so it will be a sweet one, but that's that. Then what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to use our square steamer, but what I'm going to do is like cut out some strips, and then I just take it and roll it up like that, and then I just squish it into the square steamer. That's it. Obviously, you could do this just as rolls on a sheet pan, or you could do it rectangular steamer or any kind of container you might have. It's just, obviously, I love my steamers, and that's what I'm going to use. And the cool thing about this is that it does not need to look perfect, because you're just going to kind of pull it out. And that's the fun part of it, right? That you, family members, whoever, can make this easily and not have to worry about it looking perfection, just having some fun with it. So what's everyone up to this beautiful Sunday? Are you out and about? Are you off to church? Or are you off to some kind of event? Are you still in bed? Maybe you're still in bed, because that's where I was. But I need my coffee, and I figured I'd have some little bit of fun this morning. All right, need about 3. All right, there we go. Now, lastly, it's not perfect, as I said, but that's all right. So there we go. All squashed in there, summer buried. So I have warmed up some blueberries, but it could be any form of berry that you like, or no berries, or just sprinkle some on. So I'm going to start this in the oven with the lid on, just so everything kind of goes gooey. And then probably the last 10 minutes, I'll just pull it all out. Take the lid off, sorry. And let it kind of brown on the top. So it's kind of like, as I said, the monkey bread, but monkey bread, it's like caramel and pecans or nuts and stuff like that. And I'm just doing this a berry way instead. So same idea. And then of course you can sprinkle a little more of the summer berry on. And if you want a bit more of the butter, because what's the fun if they're not a little decadent, right? Okay, so that's it. There's my funky gluten-free, by the way, summerberry blueberry monkey bread. I don't know. I'll have to figure up a fun word for it. But yeah, there you go. That's it. I just wanted to show that. See how fun you can have in the kitchen. It's like 20 minutes, and this will go in the oven probably about 35 minutes or so. But that's cool because it's Sunday and I'm just hanging out, so it's okay for it to take a little longer in the oven while I'm enjoying my coffee. So hope you all are having a lovely day and enjoying your beautiful, well, it's sunny for you, but it's sunny for us here, and Pax is out there enjoying the sun on the balcony. And yeah, thanks.